Chapter 22. Comprehension. The word comprehension means to understand. A comprehension passage is given in order to test a student to read, understand and answer correctly the questions set on the passage. By reading the answers, a teacher will know at once whether the student has understood the passage or not. How to answer a comprehension passage? 1. Read the passage very carefully 2 to 3 times till you have understood what the passage story is about. 2. Read carefully all the questions based on the passage. The questions guide you to understand the passage even better. 3. Now read the first question and find the portion that relates to the question in the passage. Read the portion carefully, read the question once more to make sure you have understood the question, then write the answer in your own words in correct and simple English. Don't notice some words of the passage. Unless it's so. 4. Answer the rest of the questions in the same manner. 5. Revise your answers. Check your answers for correct spellings, grammar and make sure you have written the right answer to each question in a clear and complete manner. Passage -1. Read the following passage carefully. Midas, king of Phrygia, was a great miser. He loved gold more than anything else in the world. He was never really happy, though he had a lot of wealth. One day the god Bacchus came to Midas. Midas had once helped Bacchus and in return Bacchus offered him a gift. "What shall I give you," he said, "that can bring you happiness?" Midas thought for a while and then said, "Please give me the power to turn everything I touch into gold." Bacchus laughed and said, "Your wish is granted. As soon as the sun rises tomorrow, you will have the golden touch. When Midas woke up next morning, he had indeed the golden touch. He touched his bed, the chairs, doors, windows, and all became solid gold. He went into the garden and turned flowers, fruit and trees into gold too. He felt hungry and wished to have breakfast. He sat at the table and there were fresh bread, butter, fish and wine. But as soon as the food touched his lips it turned into gold. So did the wine. It seemed he could no longer eat or drink. After some time, his little daughter came to him and sat on his knee. When he put his hand on her, she became a gold statue. In the end, Midas had to pray to god Bacchus to take away the cursed gift of the golden touch. Passage 2. Read the following passage carefully. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar was the first cricketer in the history of the game to score 10,000 runs with 30 centuries. Sunil was born on 10th July 1949 in a middle-class family in Bombay, now Mumbai, in Maharashtra. Perhaps his first inspiration in cricket was his maternal uncle, the late Madhav Mantri, a former wicketkeeper batsman of India. Gavaskar made his Test debut in 1971 against the mighty West Indies in West Indies and scored 774 runs. He was a right-handed batsman and an outstanding fielder in the slips. Gavaskar played 125 Test matches and 108 ODIs. He scored a total of 122 runs with the highest being 236 not out. He represented India in 4 World Cup tournaments in 1975, 1979, 1983 and 1987. He received many honours, the foremost being the Padma Bhushan in 1980. He was appointed the Sheriff of Mumbai in 1994. He has also authored many books on cricket. They are Sunny Days, Idols, Runs and Ruins, and One Day Wonders. Presently, he is busy giving commentaries on cricket matches around the world. Like, share, and subscribe.